Yeah, man. Let's see what's up, man. Let's see what's on the radio today, man.
Line for your mom's ass, shitting all up on your drawers.
What? Yeah, man. Shit.
Hey, with the Christmas.
Bullshit. I'm gonna try the 69.9 shit.
What are you gonna do, strong arm me? You know, I think that you got the wrong impression about me. I think in all fairness, I should explain to you exactly what it is that I do. For instance, tomorrow morning I'll get up nice and early, take a walk down over to the bank and walk in and see you, and if you don't have my money for me, I'll crack your fucking head wide open in front of everybody in the bank. And just about the time that I'm coming out of jail, hopefully, you'll be coming out of your coma. And guess what? I'll split your fucking head open again. Cause I'm fucking stupid. I don't give a fuck about jail.
I remember when you said to me, please stay. But sometimes in life some things might change. Since I went away, our love is not the same. Circumstances are the one to blame. So let me tell you how I feel about you, girl. And I really do care for you. I don't wanna let you down. There's someone in my life right now, and I've already settled down, yeah. See you again, see you again. And I don't know if I will see you again. See you again, see you again. And I don't know if I will see you again. See you again, see you again. And I don't know if I will see you again. I remember when you said to me, please stay. But sometimes in life things might change. Since I went away, our love is not the same. Circumstances are the one to blame. So let me tell you how I feel about you, girl. I really care for you, and I don't wanna let you down. There's someone in my life right now. I've already settled down, and we can be friends, no. See you again, see you again. And I don't know if I will see you again.
Yo, see
you again.
For the time that we had together, the times that we shared, it was all good, it was lovely. Had good times, got to reminisce about a lot of things. But now, got me somebody new, and I gotta move on. Nothing against you, not to hurt your feelings, cause I do care. But that's just how it got to be sometimes.
But I didn't wanna let you go, yeah. And you will be okay. Things will go your way. Have a bright and sunny day, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, babe. Ooh. Oh, no. See you again, see you again. And I don't know if I will see you again.
69.9 Hyena Radio. By request, my man Jay Brown in the house live, you know what I'm saying? Special guest dropping, you know what I'm saying? Where you coming from, man? Anyway, look, we're gonna get into a little bit.
Freestyle. My local artist that knows what's up.
My life is doomed, so I shroom in my room. My life is doomed, so I just shroom all alone in my room. In my room, my life is doomed.
Shit I need to do
Oh man, need to get my ass back in school. Hit the field, for real, what's the deal? Call me Randy Bacon, cause I'm after a goddamn meal. Eggs and grits, ass and tits, the whole size. Oh my gosh, it's right before my eyes. I realize what I need to do. I realize I need to take my ass back to school, cause I shroom, I get down and I